Alright everyone, hands up if you've ever binge watched a Netflix series, scrolled through endless memes on social media, or even accidentally gotten stuck into a YouTube rabbit hole. Yeah, me too. But what if I told you that all that time spent glued to your screens wasn't just mindless entertainment? What if it was actually a powerful tool for boosting your English skills? Today, we're ditching the textbooks and exploring how to use media to not only learn English but to think in English. Get ready to transform your Netflix binges into brain-boosting exercises. By the end of today's lecture, you will understand the importance of active engagement with English media. Use media as a tool for language learning. Active engagement with English media is important because it helps you improve comprehension and retention, enhance critical thinking skills, build vocabulary and understanding of idiomatic expressions, make language learning enjoyable and relevant to real-life contexts. While watching a TV show or a movie, pause at key moments and predict what will happen next. This engages your brain and enhances your understanding of plot development and character motivations. While watching a mystery show, pause before the detective reveals the culprit and try to guess who it might be, based on the clues provided. Discuss your predictions with a friend or write them down to see how accurate you were. After watching, reading, or listening to English media, summarize the content in your own words. This helps reinforce what you have learned and improves your ability to recall and articulate information. When I started listening to English podcasts, I made it a habit to summarize each episode in a journal. This practice not only improved my listening skills, but also helped me remember key points and vocabulary. Reflect on the underlying themes and messages of the content. Consider how they relate to your own experiences or current events. This deepens your engagement and critical thinking skills. After reading a novel, reflect on its themes, such as friendship, love, betrayal, or resilience. Write a short essay or journal entry about how these themes relate to your own life or society. Use interactive media like language learning apps, quizzes, and games that require active participation. These tools often incorporate real-life contexts and scenarios, making learning more dynamic. I used an interactive app that turned language learning into a game, complete with challenges and rewards. The interactive nature kept me engaged and made learning new vocabulary fun and memorable. Create projects based on the media you consume. This could be a presentation, a video review, or a creative piece, like a story or a poem inspired by the content. Think of creating projects like a chef experimenting with new recipes. By creating something original based on what you've consumed, you're applying what you have learned in a practical and a creative way. For instance, after watching a documentary, create a short video summarizing the key points and your thoughts. Maintain a log of the media you consume, noting down new vocabulary, expressions, and insights. Regularly review your log to reinforce your learning and track your progress. I kept a media log while binge watching an English TV series. I noted down interesting phrases, cultural references, and new words. Reviewing the log regularly helped me incorporate these elements into my own language use. Now, here's an assignment for you. Listen to a TED Talk or a podcast and focus on the speaker's pronunciation and intonation. Mimic their style to improve your speaking skills. For further reading, I recommend The Art of Watching Films by Boggs and Petrie. It offers insights into critically engaging with visual media, which can enhance your language learning experience. Engaging with English media actively is a powerful way to enhance your language skills. Use these techniques to make your English practice more immersive and effective.